Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a great looking 1972 Chevelle. How about that sound?
And what a great running big block under the hood of this beautiful red Chevelle, D.
This is back-to-back red Chevys we've checked out with Krager SS's. I'm liking it.
You don't see that too often here at Coyote Classics. Cranberry red was a super popular color back in 1971 and 2. And I'll tell you what, this one doesn't disappoint. I love the stance of it. It's got the old school stance.
Sorry, they can't hear it from the mic. Just go.
It's got an old...
We're taking a video.
It's got an old school stance with the ass end up really nicely. I love it. Absolutely love it. The chrome and bright work looks great as well. 454, power steering, power brakes. The detail guys in the back, we're gonna go ahead and paint that brake booster and stuff up. That needs to be done. But a nice set of headers and dual exhaust really sounds great. When they restored this, they did a great job painting the bottom of the hood. Inner fenders and stuff like that are all excellent as well. Very, very nice.
I also like it that the cowl hood's functional.
Oh, heck yeah. It is, ain't it?
Then
they did a nice job on that.
If you keep the hood open, because we always get questions on this, so
Yeah.
I figured might as well address it right now. So it was a factory air car. Still has the box and the firewall, but everything else is missing. Compressor hoses, bracket, condenser. So it was a factory air. Guy could always add it back, but it's missing stuff. So
Yeah.
something next guy
another
can do.
thing I like, they did a nice job. They put all the new plastics and stuff like that. They painted the firewall beautifully as well. So very nice restoration when they did it. All new chrome and stuff like that as far as on the bumpers, the headlight, eyebrows and stuff look good. The cool thing you can really tell in 1972, they did not, 1971 had the little split here in the turn signal lens. 1972 was complete and not split up. So. Grill looks excellent. All SS emblems on this. Cowl hood, SS on the side, SS 454. And as we look up and down the side, the doors fit so good on this 1972 Chevelle. Door fits nice to the fender. Along the back part, fits nice to the rocker and corner as well. Cooper Cobra tires, great tread. Really nice tread there. We do have some little bigger tires here in the front. We have 225. 60 15s, great Kragers on there, wheel well trim as well. As we look at the top of the dash pad, that's beautiful all the way through. Black vinyl tops all shined up nice. You always want to check when you're buying a car with a vinyl top, you want to check and make sure that you don't have any soft spots or blisters, bubbles under there. And this one's absolutely perfect all the way across. Same thing up in this area here, just really nice. Again, as we look in the back, the trunk lid fits real decent here in the back. Back bumper's new. Tail lights are new on this. Dual exhaust. Another thing I like is they painted all underneath. So when they painted it, they had it up in the air. They painted all the pinch welds and stuff as well. Quarters and doors are super straight. Original door handles show just a little bit of wear.
And for everybody waiting to know if it was a column shift or a buckets console, it's got the buckets console. So everyone in the YouTube comments is going to be happy about that.
Exactly. We don't know if this is a factory SS or not, but we can tell you guys that it does have the buckets and console now. It does have the Malibu dash, but in 1972, SS was pretty much just an option as far as your appearance package. Another thing I like, when they restored it, they did a great job. All new rubbers, all new door stoppers here. And look at the doors, absolutely rust-free doors. Door panels, armrest bases are new. They did do a wood grain wood grain steering wheel. Dome light works, headliners new. All new seat chrome. Seat backs look good. Back seat looks excellent. It does have front seat belts. I'm not sure if it's got the back ones, if they're tucked in or not. Door panels are excellent as well. What I like I said, inside the door jambs, paint's excellent. New rubbers, felts, windows go up and down smooth.
Like the exhaust tips.
Yeah, I do too. And like I said earlier, I just really like the stance. And I think a lot of our viewers will like that as well, as it just sits up just a little bit in the back.
And it's straight as hell. I don't see any waves up and down the sides. Door fits great. It's really a good car.
It really is. Not a lot of chips either. Haven't really run across any chips. And as far as Tim buffed this all out, so it's got a nice polish on it. Jay, again, does such a great job. He spends all the time on these wheels just to use the steel wool and polish. Really nice meats in the back. Great tread there as well. These are 295 50s. So a nice wide tire, just like they were back in the day. Bottom of the door lines up good. Quarter panel's good. What you're seeing here is just a little bit of white buffing compound still. It always takes a lot of time to get that all out of there. Bottom of the fender's excellent. Nice gap there. Love the SS 454 and the 454s in red, which looks good. Most of the time you kind of see those in black, you know. Again, doors absolutely rust-free. Not going to find them any better than that. Door jamb paint's nice. Rubbers are nice. Door panels are good. I'm talking about all the good on this car, but I really haven't seen anything bad.
I haven't either.
Tilt wheel too, that's really nice. If you're a bigger guy, can get in, especially with the bucket seats. Another thing at Coyote Classics, we always tell our customers, if you're ever, for the taller guys and stuff, if you ever want a car, but you just have a hard time fitting in them, we will take those seats out, move them all back and do it so it works well for your size. But Colt, you want to come on in here a second and we'll go through kind of what works and what don't. As you mentioned before, love the buckets in console. As we turn the light on here, generator light works, radio works.
Heater fan works?
Yeah, even though we don't have the factory air, heater fan is still working. Dome light works, dash lights all work. It's kind of nice to do the video on here. We can see if the dash lights work.
Yeah. It's a hell of a lot warmer too.
Yeah, wipers work. And we always make sure that we change oil in every car. We also will go ahead and put new wiper blades on them all as well.
Gas gauge works. You got your aftermarket gauges down here, and the lights and those work as well. It's negative 15, negative 10 degrees outside, so we're not going to be driving this one. We have drove it. Runs and drives awesome. Shifts good. Brakes are good.
Yeah, we take all these cars out for a 10-mile drive. The techs do. Radio works great. Amp gauge works, oil pressure gauge still climbing there. All the lights work on there. Here's our idle, guys. So it's idling great. Does not have a tack, but it idles awesome. And it was pretty cold sitting outside. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nice car. Goes right over 50 pounds. Gas gauge works as well. Clock does not, and it has 54,817 miles on it. So great car. One other thing is the horn is not working, but the button feels free. So hopefully that's not a big fix.
Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section of the video if you want to go to our website and check this one out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.